Welcome to another video by Scrap Happy Maria. Today I'm super excited to share with you the April new collection by Creative Memories called Picture This. You will notice some beautiful shades of blue and turquoise in this collection, as well as some lovely designer prints focused on memory capturing, photo taking, and memory keeping. This collection features two paper packs, a designer print paper pack with some lovely new designs that we haven't really had before. I really like the colors, the blues and the turquoise. We also have a sheet that you could cut apart to make some banners and borders. And then the second paper pack is a tone on tone. It coordinates beautifully with the designer prints. A lot more subtle, but again with the turquoise and the blues and some dark navies and blacks, just to accentuate your photos and make some great mats for your pictures. This variety mat pack contains a lot of journal boxes, which is really nice. It's so important to journal on your pages. As well, it has some nice sayings that you can add just to finish off your page if you can't think of a title yourself. The embellishment pack with this new collection contains some wonderful frames. Makes things look like a Polaroid picture when you slide a photo in behind there. You'll also notice there are some great little embellishments just to add again to your pages, make your layouts look complete. Lots of cameras and some epoxy stickers as well. Our newest tool goes really nicely with our new Picture This collection. We have a punch called Camera Love, and it makes single individual punches so you can embellish your pages. And I wanted to show you the cardstocks that we carry that will go very, very nicely with Picture This. Navy, blue, cloud, aqua, and our new deep sea green. Our newest recipe template is called Snapshot. I know a lot of you are really excited about these recipe templates, and I hope that you will give this one a try. Fast and Fabulous pages come out with most of our collections. They're pre-designed and ready for you to add your photographs and your journaling. You can use the variety mat packs to mat your photographs, and you can journal right on the pages. If you like your pages to all have a similar color palette, then this is definitely the way to go. They're super fast and they're absolutely beautiful when they're finished. Consider using these Picture This Fast and Fabulous pages for an event when you have a whole lot of photographs that are very similar. For example, a graduation day, or just you and your girlfriends hanging out. I hope you can picture this new collection in one of your future layouts. Thanks so much for watching the video, and while you're thinking about scrapbooking, I hope you'll also be thinking about Mother's Day, which is coming up in just a couple of weeks. So whether you fill your wish list on my website or let your loved ones just contact me directly, hopefully this Mother's Day you'll find something exciting to help you enjoy this time indoors just a little bit more. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Stay safe.